Welcome to Magnify Profit, your Shopify app for break-even faster and maximizing profits. In this onboarding video, we'll cover 4 key steps to get started. 1. Connecting your marketing platforms. 2. Setting your product costs. 3. Configuring your fulfillment costs. 4. Adding your fixed costs. First, let's connect your marketing platforms. From your main dashboard, click Setting in the top navigation bar, then select Marketing Platforms. Simply click Link Marketing Platform, and you'll see individual connect buttons for ads accounts of Google, Meta, Bing, TikTok, Pinterest, and X. Click Connect buttons next to the platform you'd like to integrate, and follow the prompts to grant Magnify Profit permission to access your ads accounts. Once linked, Magnify Profit automatically imports your ad spend and performance data, giving you a centralized view of all your campaigns. After connecting to ads platforms, please click Link Google Analytics to securely connect your Google Analytics account. Choose the property that matches your Shopify store, and Magnify Profit will automatically collect data from your other marketing channels. If you have other variable marketing costs like influencer commissions, you can click Add Other Variable Marketing Costs button to input your monthly variable marketing costs. Next, let's set up your product costs so you can calculate accurate profit margins. Go to Settings and select Product Costs. You'll see a list of all your Shopify products, each showing variant details, selling price, and source. If you haven't entered product costs in Shopify, you can manually input them in the Product Costs column. To quickly find products missing costs, check the Only Missing Product Costs box. Magnify Profit automatically syncs cost changes with your Shopify store, so there's no need for extra steps. Just remember to update these values whenever your supplier costs change, keeping your profitability data accurate over time. Now let's move on to fulfillment costs. Fulfillment costs include storage, packing, shipping, and service fees from your warehouse or third-party provider to fulfill the orders to customers. Under Settings, select Fulfillment Costs. You'll see a month-by-month breakdown of your store's total sales, fulfillment cost, and fulfillment cost ratio. In the Fulfillment Cost column, Magnify Profit automatically synchronize fulfillment cost you charged from your customers from Shopify. If your fulfillment cost significantly different with that, simply input the correct fulfillment cost in this column to override original numbers. Fulfillment cost ratio column is calculated as fulfillment cost divided by total sales. However, if you'd rather estimate fulfillment costs as a percentage of sales, simply enter your desired percentage here. Magnify Profit will recalculate your fulfillment cost as total sales multiple fulfillment cost ratio. This flexibility is especially useful when you haven't received a fulfillment service invoice yet, or want to project the fulfillment costs of your current month based on historical fulfillment cost ratio. For example, in January 2025, we already received the fulfillment service invoice showing total fulfillment fees as $31,900. We enter $31,900 under fulfillment cost, and Magnify Profit automatically calculates the fulfillment cost ratio as 20%, which equals to fulfillment cost divided by total sales. In February 2025, we don't receive the invoice yet, so we leave the fulfillment cost blank and just type 20% under fulfillment cost ratio. Magnify Profit then estimates the fulfillment cost by applying 20% to February's total sales so far. This approach gives you a proactive view of costs before the actual invoice arrives. Finally, let's set up your fixed cost using custom cost. Fixed cost, such as rent, salaries, or software subscriptions, remain constant regardless of sales. How to add a fixed cost? Go to Settings and select Custom Cost. Choose Fixed as the type. Enter the amount and cost. Select a frequency. Set the start date and choose a category. With your marketing platforms connected, product costs entered, fulfillment costs configured, and fixed costs added, your Magnify Profit dashboard is now ready to deliver real-time insights. Explore advanced reports, monitor ROAS across campaigns, and make data-driven decisions to grow your Shopify business.